Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 8. Our learning goal for today says, I can model breaking apart with the story, objects, and number bonds to 7. Ooh, to 7? Oh, are you ready for this big number? Oh, I know you are. Now friends, today we're going to do something a little bit different. I need you to get your dry erase board or your math journal, and I need you to get 2 different colored markers. Now you might have to share with a friend, or if you don't have 2 different colors, you can always use your black or whatever color you have, color one in, and then leave the other one not colored in when we do our good drawings, okay? All right, so press pause when you get those materials, and then press play when you're ready. Okay, you have your good stuff? Here we go. All right, so today what we're going to focus on is trying to put those good thoughts, the good pictures that we're making in our brains, down on paper. So I'm going to give you the number bond first. There you go. All right, as you can see in the number bond, 7 is my whole amount. And I have 3 as a part and 4 as the other part. So 3 plus 4 is going to make up our 7, of course. Now today we're going to draw a picture of what we see to represent or to show the number bond in a picture. So let's start with one of the parts. Let's start with this one. So what's that number, friends? Yes, 3. So we're going to go ahead and draw 3 objects. So pick up one of your markers. And here we go. Let's draw together. 1, 2, 3. Now I just want to stack mine in a tower because I just love making towers. But maybe you drew circles or maybe you drew squares like a tower. Either one's fine. Now, I know that we like to draw other things like hearts and stars and puppy dogs and flowers, but today let's try to do some quick drawings. So I'm going to recommend either a circle or a square, okay, or a fast shape like that. So if you started drawing flowers, go ahead and just erase it and do a quick drawing. Now remember, Miss Arwood likes to go fast, so if I go too fast in my drawings, you can always press pause, get caught up, and then press play when you're ready. Okay, so here we go. Do you have your 3 as your first part? 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Now that matches this part. What's the other part we need to do? Great, 4. So I need you to get your other color, or if you colored in these with the one marker, then these are not going to be colored in to show a difference. All right, so get your other color, and let's go ahead and draw our other part of 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. All right. Now, I drew 3 as the part, 4 as the other part, 7. 7. Oh no, do I have to draw 7 more things? No, I don't. I don't have to draw 7 more things. Why not? Yes, ding, 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 thank you. Because if I have 3, 1, 2, 3, and then I have 4 more, 4, 5, 6, 7, my 7 is already there. Press pause. I want you to count, make sure you have 7 items. You had 7 as well? Oh, good. Well, we didn't have to draw anything extra. Awesome. So look it, we took our number bond and we're representing it or showing it in a picture. Hey, we're doing a nice job. Okay, I want you to go ahead and erase your board. We're going to try another one. Are you ready? Here we go. Ooh, this time, what are our parts of this number bond? Good job, friends. Yes, 5 and 2. What's our whole amount? Yep, again, it's 7. 5, 6, 7. Excellent. Let's go ahead and start by drawing one of the parts. Let's draw 5. All right, now I want you to go ahead and pick up one of your markers, press pause, draw 5, and then press play to see what I do. Okay, you drew your first part, your 5. I'm going to draw mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I made a tower. What did you do? Oh, good. I love it. So that's our first part. What's the other part we need to draw now? Yes, 2, because that's the other part of 7 that I see in this number bond. All right, get your other marker. Go for it. Draw 2 to show the other part. 1, 2. Okay, the only other piece to our number bond is 7. Do we have to draw another group of 7? No, why not? Yeah, you're right, because 5 and 2 are the parts of 7. So let's see, if we counted up all of the things on our picture, we should have 7. I'm going to count mine. As I tap mine, you tap yours and see if we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Did you have 7 as well? Oh, man. You know why we're probably getting this right both times is because we're doing them in different parts. We did our 5 part and then our 2 part. So we for sure have 7. Okay, friend, it's your turn to do another one. I want you to go ahead and erase your board. All right, is your board all erased? Good job, friend. All right, now I want you to go ahead. I'm not going to help you on this one. I want you, here is a new number bond. I want you to look for the parts and look for the whole amount. I want you to draw a picture that shows the different parts and then, of course, the whole amount. Now, work on your own. Press pause. Press play when you're ready to check yourself. Okay, do you have a picture showing the number bond? All right, here we go. Now, first I started with one of the parts. What's one of the parts? Yeah, 1. So I drew 1 purple square. Now I'm going to show the other part. What was the other part, friends? Thank you, 6. So I had to draw 6 more items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that was a tall one. All right, now I have to draw 7 more things, right? What? No, I did not have to draw 7 more things. I was just checking you. How come I don't have to draw 7 more items to show this whole amount? Yes, perfect, because there's already 7 if I did my parts and my parts and I put them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, the parts go down to the whole amount on their path, so I don't have to redraw 7. How'd you do, friend? Ooh, very nice. I like that you're working so hard. All right. I'm excited because our learning goal said I can model or show a picture or like create something, breaking apart with the story, objects, and number bonds to 7. And that's exactly what we practiced today. Today we practiced using a good visualizing in our brains and putting it down into paper. All right, so this is what you're going to seesaw to your teacher. Here's a new number bond. I have 7, 2, and 5. I want you to figure out what are the parts and draw a picture to go with it. Now, friends, this is where you can go wild. If you want to draw cats and dogs to show the parts of all big group of animals, feel free to. I just need to clearly be able to see the different parts to make the whole amount. Okay? Good luck, friends.